The iPhone 15 has become the best-selling smartphone globally for the third quarter of 2024, closely followed by iPhone 15 Pro Max and iPhone 15 Pro. This trend was revealed by a report by market research firm Counterpoint. According to its global handset model sales tracker, while Apple grabbed the top 3 spots on the global top 10 best-selling smartphones list with the iPhone 15 series, the iPhone 14 too featured in the rankings. Another tech giant Samsung made a strong presence on the list, taking up most spots. Samsung took 5 spots in total. Samsung Galaxy S24 managed to retain a spot in the top 10 for the third consecutive quarter. As per the report, the strong sales of the Galaxy S24 series have been primarily driven by a marketing emphasis on its generative AI features. While Apple's share of the top 10 list has declined slightly, Samsung's presence has grown. The top 10 models contributed to 19% of the global smartphone market sales in Q3 2024. The researchers pointed out that growing consumer preference for high-end smartphones is gradually bridging the market share gap between the iPhone's base and Pro models. It is the first time in third quarter that half of the total iPhone sales were contributed by the Pro models. This shift is helping Apple drive higher value device sales. That's all for today. Keep watching Gadgets 360 for more such interesting updates like these.